This is the engine cover of the van. Something has been living in the van, and these wires are all chewed up. Good grief, and there's little doo-doo droppings. And I really don't even want to see what's really in here, but look at this. Okay, there's another problem.
Hello, squirrels.
I do not need this right now. Oh. These walnuts down in there, the main stomping grounds. I also chewed on the boot of the starter right here. That's kind of what led me to believe, well, gave me the evidence I needed aside from the poop that something had been chewed. But then this got chewed on. This got chewed completely off. And there's just like pieces of plastic and wires and stuff just laying here. Like, how rude. And this one just got shredded. And this one got gnawed on a little bit too. Man, I'm really not happy with these guys right now. So I'm gonna clean this up and keep looking around for damage. So I've kind of vacuumed it all out, and this was all full back here of like shredded stuff for bedding. Hi guys. Oh, what's up guys? Cuties.
What happened?
So there was a mouse or squirrel or something living in the van. See, look, the wires are all chewed here. So your daddy's gonna have to fix it. I know. Don't step on that one, okay?
What do you think about that? Did you see the nuts?
Do you see the... There could be like squirrel poop on that.
Poops?
Yeah, squirrels make a poo-poo, too. Just
Did you make a big poo-poo?
yes. Amazon van going fast, delivering your packages.
Daddy, there's one squirrel.
So I don't know if he's still in here, but I definitely just got rid of his nest. I think I could extend these wires and maybe reuse this plug. And then this plug I can reuse by just cutting this bad section of wire out and soldering in a new one. And then I'm pretty sure this is the problem right here.
Gosh.
I mean,
Of course that's the
so
problem.
here's the first thing I saw that they nibbled on, this little starter boot cover right here. See,
yeah.
that's totally nibbled on. This one is a sensor, so that would explain why it's throwing a code. And then this one is a spark plug wire, but it probably still works because, and the van runs.
Why would they chew on that? Like, why
I
do they
don't
do
know.
that?
I think it just makes them feel good or something. I don't know. So I gotta figure out this plug, and
It's like they have their teething.